Alright, so this is Rick Philly. I'm in the backyard in Pembroke, New Hampshire. Today is July 27th, 2018. And I got this 1955 Mark 55, it's 40 horse Merc. Admittedly, I'm not very good at Mercs, but I was asked to see if I could get this thing running, and so here we go. And this is on a 13-foot Lyman rear steering runabout, which does happen to be one of my favorite boats, so we'll see how this thing goes. You can see it's pumping water out the back there. Looks all right. I think this thing should be an all right runner. Thank you for watching.